anybody can sketch, but do you know how I made this from this using paper? So today we are going to learn how to turn a 2D sketch into a 3D sculpture. Let's get started. Step 1. Sketch your sketch. The simpler it is, easier it will be afterwards. I am drawing Baymax because I watched Big Hero 6 and I love that character.
Come on, go, 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 go!
Whatever you are inspired by, you can draw anything. But try to keep it simple at the start. Step number 2. Step number 2. Step number 2.
On this firmament, turning into what I got it to be.
Take that 2D sketch and import it into a 3D software. I'll be using Blender. You can choose any software you want.
Used to make Xannies with Molly to flow. Been in a bus, in a plane, in a boat. I put a touch in my paint and my notes.
As long as it exports it into a OBJ or wavefront. Take that sketch, import it,
70 years before I was born in this tournament,
model it, and texture it.
Turning into what I got it to be, who I said. Used to make Xannies with Molly to flow. Been in a bus, in a plane, in a boat. I put a touch in my paint and my notes. Clutch the remains of the rope. Either I learn how to cope with it, or I turn into a ghost living. Some people turn into IG.
You can customize it however you want, but make sure to keep the topology clean.
13, I was on smoke. Zazani, I was on the coast. 16, leaning off dope. 10 beers and I'm on coke. I just learned how to walk. I just trip going backwards. I should have been dead by now, living on a boat chapter. 8 years, where they all go.
Now when you have your 3D model ready, use an application called Papercraft to unfold it on a 2D sheet of paper. That is UV unwrapping, sort of, how do I say. For example, this is your 3D model, and you unfold it on a flat sheet of paper. You see these lines, creases, that is your 4 lines, and when you print it out, cut it out. When you print it, cut it out, and you can simply fold it. You've got your 3D model. We'll do that with Baymax. No, not that. We'll create Baymax like that.
I don't really need that sicko. I don't really need that. I don't really need that so sicko. Really sicko. Really need that.
Step number 4. So step 4 is we build it. Let's get it. So the hands are ready. Have part of the head so tiny. I'll speed up the process for the body and the legs. Stick around till the end for the epic reveal. Here's a quick summary of what we did. Step 1. Sketch what you want. Keep it simple. Step 2. Import that sketch into a 3D software to model and texture it. Step 3. Unfold that model. Use Papercraft for Windows or Unfolder for iOS. Step 4. Print your model and build it. Important tip: keep it simple, especially in the beginning. That is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.